It's 7 o'clock and I'm getting ready to start dinner. I'm making stuffed peppers, so we'll see how that turns out. First step is making the rice. And then I'm gonna cut my peppers and my onion and get all my veggies prepped and ready so that when I'm cooking, it's just easy to put it in the pan when it needs to go in the pan. So all of my peppers are in my container. I'm going to fill the bottom with water and put them in the oven for about 10 minutes just to parboil them. I guess that's what it's called, while I cook my meat. So oven needs to be at 375. And while that's preheating, I'm going to fill this with water, wrap it with foil, and get my beef ready to start frying. So my onions are in my pan. They are sizzling. After a second, I'm gonna add my garlic and then my beef and season that with some onion or garlic powder, chili powder, salt and pepper. And then I'm gonna take it off the heat and add my beans and my rice and my corn and a little bit of salsa. And just like that, they're in the oven, almost done, and the dishes are cleaned up. What you didn't see was all the cleanup. So movie magic, there's leftover stuffing, but Trevor has eaten like half of it. And my camera's about to die, so we're gonna eat these. The stuffing tastes really good, so I bet everything else is gonna taste really good. And then we're just gonna have a side salad, and what time is it? Almost 8:30, 8 o'clock, something around there. And yeah, that's our night, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.